I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a bank account to Affirm for loans, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone or visit the Affirm website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app or website, find the account settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods of Bank Accounts. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the option to add a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Note, double-check your routing number. Entering it incorrectly can lead to delays in loan processing. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review them for accuracy and click the Save or Confirm button. This will link your bank account to your Affirm account. That's it. You've successfully added your bank account to Affirm. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support. Happy borrowing!